So 19th Congress pa rin yun. Kung yan ang magiging pasya ng Senado ng 19th Congress kaugnay ng rules. So may posibilidad. Trial pa rin yun ha. Bagaman presentasyon ng ebidensya sa commissioner ang technical na salita, trial pa rin yun.
So meaning pa din lumipat ng 20th Congress? Kasi naiwan yung dalawin-dalawa.
Lalampas ng 20th Congress o aabot ng 20th? Aabot ng 20th Congress, oo.
Okay, may ano, okay.
Halos tiyak na yon. Aabot ng 20th Congress at ang magpapasya na rito ay ang 20th Congress at hindi ang 19th Congress.
Sir,
Iba yung composition kasi yung labing-dalawa mapapalitan.
Malalaman pa lamang natin yan matapos ang halalan.
Sir, may patanong uli. Si Erap na pardon, pwede bang ma-pardon din si Sara at eventually run again?
Yes, Erap was not impeached. Erap was convicted and then was pardoned.
Convicted by the Sandigan Bayan.
Yun yung, dun
Not
yung
by
pardon.
the impeachment court.
Okay.
Dahil hindi naman natapos yung impeachment ni dating Pangulong Estrada dahil sa EDSA 2.
Okay, Mean.
Sir, to be clear lang.
Hindi pa ba clear?
Hindi pa clear. Hindi. Sir, kasi yung natanong na kayo na pero para lang mas malinaw. Yung kay Senator Coco na sinasabi niyang special circumstance na pwede pa rin magkasundo kayo 100%, mag-convene kayo ng impeachment court during the break. Hindi na yun mangyayari.
Only when, as I said, the impeachment court was convened. When we, the legislature, the Senate as a legislature, took note or took